guys, welcome to day 2 of this 5-day yoga challenge. Today we're doing a gratitude focused flow that will incorporate some conscious breathing and mantras. Begin in a wide-legged child's pose. Close your eyes and take 3 open-mouthed inhales and exhales. Repeat after me. I am grateful for my body. I am grateful for this practice. Push yourself up and move into a tabletop position. With an inhale, look up and drop the belly for cow. Exhale, arch the back and look down for cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Now sit up and back onto your heels and take some open-mouthed inhales and exhales. Repeat after me. I am in control of my thoughts and my energy. Now put your hands on the mat for thread the needle. Raise your right hand up and thread it under towards the left. Raise it back up and then place it on the mat. Raise your left hand up and thread it under towards the right. Raise it back up and place it back on the mat. Sit back on your heels and take some more open-mouthed inhales and exhales. Repeat after me. I am grateful for this moment to take care of myself. Place your right foot at the front of the mat for a low lunge. Left hand down and push up for a side twist. Lower down and grab your left foot with your right hand for a quad stretch. Release the foot to the mat and straighten the right leg for half splits. Sit back on your heels and take some more open-mouthed inhales and exhales. Repeat after me. I am healthy. I am strong. I am resilient. Place your left foot at the front of the mat for a low lunge. Right hand down and then push up for a side twist. Release the foot to the mat and straighten the left leg for half splits. Sit back on your heels again and take some more open mouth inhales and exhales. Repeat after me. I am loved. I am enough. Now push back into downward dog. Pedal out the feet and take any other movement that feels good. Bring the right foot to the top of the mat for Warrior 1. Hands out to the side for Warrior 2. Straighten the front leg for Triangle Pose. Rebend the front leg for Exalted Warrior. Now raise the left heel and move into Crescent Lunge. Open the arms wide and twist to the right. Now right hand on left thigh, left arm up for Exalted Crescent. Cartwheel the hands to the top of the mat and move through a vinyasa. Chaturanga, then upward facing dog, then downward facing dog. From down dog, bring the left foot to the top of the mat for Warrior 1. Move into Warrior 2, arms out wide. Straighten the front leg for Triangle Pose. Rebend the front leg for Exalted Warrior. Then raise the right heel off the mat for High Crescent. Open the arms wide and twist to the left. Cartwheel the hands down to the top of the mat and vinyasa. Chaturanga, upward dog, and down dog. Now come down into a wide-legged child's pose. Close your eyes and come back into your breath. Take 3 deep inhales and exhales. Walk yourself back up and into a comfortable seat. You can place your hands in your lap or on your chest. Close your eyes and repeat after me. I am unstoppable. I am healthy. I am strong. I am lovable. I am grateful. Thanks so much for joining me on day 2. I hope you have a lovely day, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 3.